Welcome back. You're watching Markets and Macros, and if you are a skeptic, you would say that the market is trading at day's low, but not by a lot, just about 18 points lower. Well, yesterday evening was a special one for us. We had our India Business Leader Awards, and from the sidelines of those awards, of course, yesterday CP Gurnani won the award for Asia India Business Leader Award, and he now joins in from the sidelines of those awards.
Just a minute, Anuj, let's just play for Mr. Gurnani his own award-winning picture. That's Mr. Gurnani coming in to receive, and the Asia CNBC also joined in. CNBC Asia also joined in to congratulate him. That's the Asia team, and that's Mr. Gurnani making a bit of an acceptance speech yesterday. Okay, there you are. Mr. Gurnani, thank you very much for joining us yet again, and congratulations. Well, first up, really, what makes Tech Mahindra tick? Going forward, what can we expect from your company?
I mean, when you look at Tech Mahindra, it is the power of 85,000 people, its power of about 600 active customers. And when I look at Tech Mahindra future, it really is about solutions to connected world. That device in our hand today is almost has the power of a supercomputer of yesterday, and that connected world means connected solutions, and that's what is Tech Mahindra for you.
Okay, well, Mr. Gurnani, let me try some numbers with you. Last quarter, what the analysts appreciated was the fact that your dollar revenue growth was much higher than that of your peers. Will that continue?
It's a quiet period, so I don't think I'm going to comment on anything which is, not allowed by the regulators. All I can say is that we maintain a steady profile. We are on the right trajectory, and we hope to remain on that trajectory.
All right, Mr. Gurnani, let me try my luck then. I know you are in silent period, but still one word on margins, because last quarter you recorded highest margins since the merger. Could you tell us where the picture would stabilize, not for this quarter, but over the medium term?
Tech Mahindra will continue to focus and continue to look at the operating levers. We strongly believe that we have to balance growth and the operating margin, and we will continue to balance both.
Okay, so could you scale up to about 23% over the medium term?
I can't give you any guidance, and you will have to bear with me.
I know, sir, it's our job to try. But channel checks are indicating that the next year will be better than the current year. The NASSCOM also said that. Are you also optimistic about FY15?
I think, again, anything which tantamounts to guidance during the silent period, I think will be unfair on my part to comment. All I have said in the past, and I'm going to repeat it again, that we believe this year will be better than the previous year. And we are all working very hard. Tech Mighties, all 85,000 of us believe in RISE tenets, and we will continue to deliver value to our customers and continue to deliver value to all our stakeholders.
Okay, on a different tack then, could you give us some trends regarding client budgets and spends? How are they looking?
I think most of the industry pundits have already given us the reports, and we see the same, that the market is clearly better for the IT sector. Both in US, Europe is also looking better. Emerging markets are looking slightly better. So all I can say is that yes, in terms of IT spend, while the growth will not be dramatic in IT spend, but clearly the digital enterprise solutions and the digital storm that we all are seeing around us will benefit companies like Tech Mahindra.
Mr. Gurnani, so as an industry veteran, what do you think the industry growth will be next year, given that the current NASSCOM guidance is somewhere around 13 to 15%?
I think the guidance that the NASSCOM gave is for a certain period of time. and I think it will remain in the same 13 to 15% range. And the reason is, it's not that the IT wallet has expanded. It's just that a few companies will be in a better position to take advantage of, where they are, what solutions they offer, and what kind of reach they are able to, provide not only to their customers, but also to the overall technology landscape. So I would not like to change the NASSCOM forecast.
All right, Mr. Gurnani, thanks a lot for your time. That's Tech Mahindra. The stock relatively flat now in trade, but the stock which was active was ITC.